YouTube. What's up? So based on the title of this video, you guys already know what I'm doing. I took out the ECU. I'm gonna throw up a video clip on how to remove it if you guys need it. If not, just on TikTok everywhere. That's where I got it from. Do not close your trunk all the way. That's how I'm gonna have mine. So we got black, it's gray, and it's blue, and it's green. Then I got this is yellow. And you got the double one in the back. Push down, slide up, pull it out. Nice. Next, I see there's clips right here. So that clip holding it, and then there's another one over here somewhere on this side, I think, right here. You just take that out and we ship it out. But we got it, baby. ECU out, MHD Unlock. I'm nervous. I'm so fucking nervous. All right, I'm gonna head to the post or UPS because that's where you drop it off. I'm gonna buy the box and stuff there because they sell it, so why not? And I'm nervous, but I can't wait. So I'll see y'all when I get there. Yo, checking in. I just thought about it. Why would I pay for boxes and bubble wrap when I could just go to work and grab the boxes and bubble wrap and just pack my own stuff? So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna head there now. I'm heading to work right now just to grab the boxes and stuff. I'm gonna package this. I'm gonna see if they can print the label for me. If not, I'll go to the UPS store and do the label printing. And I'm excited, bro. I fucking like Jersey traffic is just so ass. What is this? Bruh, dickhead. But yeah, man, I'm in the mom's whip right now. Good old Santa Fe. But I'll see y'all when I get to UPS store, man. Peace. Finally finished. Got my label here. I got the shipping label here. I got my ECU inside in bubble wrap and a nice little box. A perfect box that we got from work. Feel me? I'm gonna go UPS, drop this shit off. I was gonna say, should I throw an air tag inside? Cause I could. Let me see. Cause I have an air tag on my keys, but I can always just use another one from the store. All right, air tag going inside. Let's go to UPS.
3 days later.
All right, here we go. ECU's back, baby. ECU is back, baby. Oh my gosh. Package is nice. Gotta throw this thing back inside. Let's go this way. I gotta see. All right, so pretty much all I'm doing here is doing the same thing I did when taking it out. But one thing I didn't know is you have to put the clips in backwards first because that's how it fully goes all the way down. Now, if you don't do this, this is pretty much what will happen. Now, pretty much what you're seeing here is me trying to turn on the car. And obviously, you see it tries to start, steering wheels come down, but then it doesn't start and it goes right back up. And then I get drive chain malfunction. All this happens. So yes, plug it all the way in. Now let's continue with the video. Got a lot of stuff to do today. Number one, tune the beam ski. Oh, I can't wait. I can't wait. All right, listen. I'm tuning the car and I'm going MHD. I'm doing stage 2, okay? Right now, the car barely has any burbles, as you guys heard from last video. Like, you get the pops, obviously, when I downshift, but it's not like bop, 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 bop. It's more like a, type of thing, you know what I'm saying? But this time, yo, I can't wait. But yeah, I gotta drop off my oil at the UPS because I'm shipping it out to FCP, so I get the money back because I gotta do another oil change. My car is currently at 47,000 miles. I think around like the 50,000 mile mark, I'm gonna do the transmission, and I'm also gonna do the diff fluids at the same time. I'm gonna try and go to one of my boys, see if he hits me back up, because he's gonna do it for me because he's a technician, and I don't feel like working on the fucking transmission because you have to use the syringe to put it in, and then you gotta replace the tray, and then same thing with the diff fluids. Like, too much. I'll stick to oil changes that I could do myself, and my exhaust. That's pretty much it. But I'm excited, bro. I don't even know how to tune this shit. So right now, good old TikTok. My little MHD port. Oh yeah, Sirski. I gotta take this thing, plug it in down here. There we go. Diagnostic mode activated. Okay. Now it's connecting. Good. 93 octane. Map B2 stage 2. 93 octane. Exhaust burbles. Exhaust burble on. Let's not change this too much. OEM style. Cold start noise reduction. Startup roar. Coding success. Clearing codes. Woo! Wait 30 seconds. Holy shit. All right, let me go inside. Let me grab my oil and pack it real quick, and then we out for a drive. I love this car, man. Okay, you definitely feel a difference. Let's see. Yo! Perks of being in Jersey. I don't gotta touch my gas cap. I'm assuming I'll be spending $75. That's 60. What'd I say, 75? Oh my gosh, it's still going. 85? Oh my god, it's not slowing down. 90? No fucking mames. I don't know if y'all also know this person, Zeno. He posts some of his settings, so I'm gonna try and copy those real quick. There's a startup roar. Okay. I guess it's trying to go through everything again in terms of like the computer. Here, hold this real quick. It's on both of us. It's on both of us. Oh. Yo, this shit sounds fucking wicked.
Bring the mouse out to my face. Oh, that was nice. That was stage 2. Shit sounds nice. Shit.
Yo! That's the oil there I gotta send back to FCP. Then I'm gonna head to the gym and hope I don't get pulled over. But yeah, man. Yo, this video is stupid, bro. I'll see y'all boys. We out the gym. I did back, triceps, and rear delts. Bugging shoulders. Now it's for this drive home. Alright, listen. Alright, let's see. Damn! Oh my gosh. This is wicked, bro. Wicked. I gotta link up with my boys now. Oh my gosh. Yo, nighttime vlogs are back, bro. Oh. But yeah, I'm ending the video here. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, comment down below. I can't wait for next video, bro. I'm gonna try and do more research to see if I can find that nice like sweet spot where it's not too aggressive but it sounds good. I'll see y'all boys for the next one. Yo, hope you guys enjoyed. Peace.